The Rebellious Scholars YouTube channel is a place where we encourage others to unleash the rebel genius within, add to conversations, and develop ways of thinking that may surface level seem to be obtuse or challenging to the status quo. We engage in unidirectional conversation that is intentionally designed to unveil the invisible string that wraps around all things. It is our mission to encourage and uplift the reasoning mind in order to bring about knowledge uptake in a diverse array of minds. Overall, we encourage others to ultimately stay curious, and to stay rebellious, and never forget: what you understand, you transform, and what you remember, you command.